Do you struggle with bloating, fatigue, brain fog, or random food sensitivities that don't make sense? What if I told you the root cause might be your gut actually leaking into the rest of your body? Today, we're diving deep into leaky gut syndrome, what it is, how it affects you, what causes it, and most importantly, what you can do about it. Your gut is supposed to be a fortress. Your gut lining works like a security gate. It lets in the good nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and keeps out the bad like bacteria, toxins, and undigested food. But when that gate breaks down, tiny cracks form. Suddenly, harmful substances escape into your bloodstream. That's what we call leaky gut, or increased intestinal permeability. Here's the catch. Conventional medicine is still debating how much leaky gut contributes to disease. Functional medicine sees it as a major driver of inflammation and chronic illness. The research is mounting, and it's clear, when your gut barrier is compromised, the effects ripple throughout your whole body. This isn't just a stomach issue. The obvious signs show up in digestion, bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, and cramps. But here's the twist. It doesn't stop there. Many people with leaky gut also experience fatigue, brain fog, skin problems like eczema or acne, joint pain, or multiple food sensitivities. And here's something powerful. Studies link leaky gut to autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, rheumatoid arthritis, and even type 1 diabetes. That doesn't mean leaky gut directly causes these, but it may act as a trigger if you're already at risk. Something's poking holes in your gut. What is it? The number one culprit is diet. Too much sugar, alcohol, processed foods, and in some cases gluten. These weaken your gut lining. Second, medications. Long-term use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen, antibiotics, and even acid blockers can quietly increase gut permeability. And don't forget, stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which thins your gut lining and disrupts your microbiome. Usually, it's not just one thing. It's the combination of diet, stress, meds, and microbiome imbalance that pushes your gut over the edge. What happens in the gut doesn't stay in the gut. When those cracks form in your intestinal lining, your immune system goes on high alert. That triggers inflammation, which can spread anywhere in your body, your joints, skin, brain, thyroid, you name it. That's why people with leaky gut often feel symptoms that seem unrelated, like fatigue, poor concentration, mood swings, and autoimmune flare-ups. It's a gut-brain-body connection. How do you know if your gut is leaking? There are a few tests out there, like the lactulose mannitol test, stool tests, or measuring a protein called zonulin. But honestly, testing isn't perfect. Many doctors don't test for leaky gut at all. Often, the best indicator is your symptoms combined with your health history. If you've got multiple unexplained issues, your gut might be the missing piece. Here's the good news. You can heal. Start with diet because every bite is either healing or harming your gut. Avoid processed sugar, fried foods, alcohol, refined carbs, and possibly gluten or dairy if you're sensitive. Focus on fermented foods like sauerkraut or kimchi, omega-3 rich foods like salmon or walnuts, leafy greens, brightly colored veggies, and lean protein. Think of it as giving your gut lining the tools it needs to repair itself. Supplements can help too. L-glutamine repairs the gut lining. Zinc carnosine helps strengthen the barrier. Collagen or bone broth provides building blocks for gut repair. And Probiotics restore a healthy microbiome. And don't underestimate lifestyle. Stress management, good sleep, and moderate exercise are just as important as diet and supplements. Once you fix your gut, how do you keep it that way? Here's the long-term plan. Eat a balanced, anti-inflammatory diet. Manage stress daily through meditation, breath work, or even a walk in nature. Use medications wisely, only when necessary and under guidance. And prioritize sleep, because your gut repairs itself at night. Do these consistently, and your gut has the best shot at staying strong and sealed. So here's the bottom line. Leaky gut is real, and while not every doctor agrees on its role, research shows it can affect your entire body. The good news? You can take back control with the right diet, supplements, and lifestyle. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe, because I've got plenty more on gut health, supplements, and natural healing coming your way. And if you've ever wondered about healing supplements I personally recommend, check out the links in the description section of this video. Be happy, be healthy, and take care of that gut. It's the foundation of everything. My name is Pharmacist Michael, and I'll see you in the next video.